So guys, now home. Asante. I'm responding to some hawker here, and so now I'm going home to say hi to my parents, my mother, my father, my siblings, and I appreciate so much. So this is how the bus system works here. My home is not far from here. It's about 40 minutes to 1 hour depending on the speed of the car. That is it. I will just arrive now there, and I will be able to. I've missed them so much. Yeah, it's been long since I was home, so I will be able to interact with them today. I appreciate your all effort. So this is how the bus system. This is the stage, and this is a matatu, a 14-seater matatu. Asante. Siku nyingine na kupromote. Niko na baba. So that's a hawker. You can see the way they are selling things. And this bus has some people still coming, more still coming. And you can see I'm officially dressed. I just want to look presentable to my parents. Not only my parents, but you know, when you are going home, it's been a while. You have to be very well dressed. So this is how the bus system works here. Let me show you something. Yeah, so guys, this is it. This is the stage, the bus stage. There is no ticketing because it's not far from home. It's not very official. You just sit there, pay, and you are delivered to your home. So there are so many cars in the inside there. You can see there are so many. Look at the back. So many buses. Very well organized. Yeah, this is ELDORET town, and this is the main stage actually. So that's what happens. So that is it, guys, for today. I'll update you once I'm home. My home is called Siwa. So thank you so much for that.
Kami mau ini? Kami mau ini? Berikan.
And journey back home begins.
Kami mau ini?
Coba lagi. Coba gitu. Mama jadi usah. Niko video ndi hizo za kupata kompyuta unaambiwa live. Ya mob kutoka. Ametangaza nini? Ungelamisha hizo. Oh, ngemisi uda. Unakulia tu.
Haya. Mui mati ya tak ni. Ada katar kan aja. Mungkin di sini kalau you di mana ni? Apa aja? Kan dulu. Jaga tu jaga. Ada betul.
So guys, this is the countryside. I am going home from ELDORET town. So look how it is, so sunny. People are preparing their farms for plantation. Yeah, the palms. So I want you to observe the environment, the houses, and the climate. It can be different from where you come from. That's a primary school. That is the sun. Actually, it is 3 p.m. It's a petrol station. Just want you to familiarize with this area. This small center is called Queenet. So I'm just showing you this side because I'm sitting on this other side, the left. Yeah, a small shopping center here called Carpenes. So look at the normal activities in Africa and how it looks like, guys. That's a timber house made of timber and border guys. Motorbike operators, others are here. It's a local shopping center here, with very few shops. It's a small petrol station. I hope you are learning something, you are experiencing something. Now we are done with a small shopping center. This is someone's land. It's actually extensive. It is still ready to be planted. Yeah, some students, some children from school. You know, it's evening. We are approaching another small shopping center. You can see the houses are becoming a bit increased in number. So we are approaching a small shopping center called Sirikwa. Grandfather there, students. It works. So guys, this is how it works now. Yeah, so as you see, I'm almost home. It is so dusty in this room. So these are roads look like the normal homes. The normal roads, small roads at home that connect villages and some centers. So they look very happy. So guys, I am finally home. We have come from that road, yeah, from the shopping center, the small shopping center in the village, and now I'm home. This is what I'm taking it to my parents here, and this is my favorite village person.
My name is Abraham Biwat.
Yeah, he's Abraham Biwat.
Biwat.
He's a parent and he's a motorbike operator. So that's my home. Here, that's the gate. And I'll be taking you there. Thank you so much, guys. More coming. Yeah, thank you so much.